Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy M22 and today I will show you a couple camera tricks. So at the first I'm going to start about the best features that you can find in the settings, and after that I will show you what we can find in the normal modes. So let's open the settings, and at the first we can activate the scan QR code option. So when you enable this option and then when you are in the photo mode, you are able to scan QR codes. You don't have to install any external application, so that's very cool. And here we can also use this option, swipe shutter button to edge, to take a burst shot or create a GIF. When we select take a burst shot, we have to make gesture like that. And we can take a lot of photos. After that we can go for the gallery and store all of them. If you want to select, for example, this one, click here, and then tap to save, and we can delete all other pictures. So there it is. Well, let's remove this one also. When you are here, we can also turn on or turn off mirror effect from the front camera, so we can decide what you want to get. We can quickly improve stabilization of our video clips by enable video stabilization. We can also add the grid lines to help us to take better composition of the photos. As you can see right now, the grid lines appear on the screen. So for example, you are right now able to put the object in the middle of the photo much easier. The next option are location tags. So when you click on the switcher and enable location, you have to accept everything that pops on the screen. And right now when you take a photo and go for the details, as you can see right now, we can find the exact location where the photo was taken. So that's great. Also we can find the shotting methods. There's the press volume key to take a picture or take a zoom. So for example, when you switch to the zoom, you can zoom with using your power key, and I mean volume down and volume up keys, just like that. Very smooth. And zoom out also by pressing volume down key. So yeah, that's it. We can go back to the shooting methods, and we can find here also floating shutter button. So when you enable, you will have additional button on the screen. So if you cannot reach this one, you can tap on this one wherever you want, and both of them are activate, as you can see. And what we get here also, the watermark. So when you tap on the switcher and enable it, you will get this mark that the photo was taken on my Galaxy M22. Of course, you can also customize this watermark if you want, but let's leave it like that. And when you press on the shutter and go for the photo, as you can see, the photo was taken with your Samsung Galaxy M22. And right now when we are in the modes, at the first we are in the photo mode, so we can simply add timer to the photo. So when you want to get timer for like 2 seconds, just choose, click on the shutter, and after 2 seconds the photo will be taken. And also we can quickly change aspect ratio, but for me the best is always to use this one, 3:4. And we can also change brightness level when you click and hold your screen, just like that. You can move on the left or the right and change the level of the brightness. In the video mode we can do the same, but we can lock focus, as you can see. In the more modes we can find slow motion, hyperlapse. In the hyperlapse we can, for example, change speed from 4, 8, 16 or 32. We get also slow motion, and we get the Pro mode when we can change ISO, white balance. There is the EV and the focus. If you don't know how to use the Pro mode, check our YouTube channel. We got here the tutorial for that model. And basically that's all. So if you find this video useful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.